suppose PA equals 1/2, PB equals 1/3, and PA or B, or both, is P. Find P if A and B are mutually exclusive, and A and B are independent. So if we just go straight for part A, so if you look at the formula book, it says mutually exclusive events. It says P, A or B equals PA plus PB if the events are mutually exclusive. So all of these formulas, certainly independent and mutually exclusive, basically if this is true, then the events are mutually exclusive, and also if the events are mutually exclusive, this is true. So we're on the second sort of case, but it's one of these if and only if, so the right implies the left and the left implies the right. So all we need to do is, remember PA union B is our P that we're looking for, so we just need to add them up. It's 1/2 plus 1/3, put it in sixths, which must be 3/6 plus 2/6, so P is PA union B, so it must be 5/6. Done. Independent events. So if they are independent, well, we kind of have two things going on here. We'll try and do it just using a formula. So we probably want the combined events. So it says 4 combined events, which could be mutually exclusive or independent. It says PA union B, which is our P, equals PA plus PB minus PA and B, which if you had a Venn diagram would make a lot more sense. All it is, it's just the reason why we subtract this, it's so you don't count that bit twice. So we know for independent events, PA and B, this only works if they're independent, equals PA times PB. Again, straight from the formula book, and it's exactly the same thing. So if the events are independent, then this is true. If this is true, then they're independent. So we can say, well, PA and B must be P 1/2 times 1/3, which is 1/6. So now, if we want to find P and A or B, PA union B, so P, which is PA, this P, to be honest, doesn't benefit the question in any way. Probably should have written it differently. Equals PA, which was 1/2, plus PB, 1/3, minus PA and B, which was 1/6. Put them all in sixths, so that was 3/6, 2/6, plus 2/6, minus 1/6, equals 3 minus 2 is, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus the 1 is 4/6, which could be P equals 2/3. You're probably, generally speaking, in a probability question, you don't normally get punished if you don't simplify, because often it's beneficial not to simplify, depending on what you need to do with it later.